How to get pictory.ai coupon code. For this, you can go ahead and open a preferred browser. It is just fine if you are working on your PC. Now right here, go ahead and search for pictory.ai promo code. A lot of websites will be dealing the promo code of pictory.ai. You can go ahead and tap on any one that you prefer. For an example, I'll be selecting this one. Now right here, you will find a lot of coupons that you can select from. Select a coupon that you find interesting with a simple tap. Then you can just tap on the copy icon to copy this link. Now something about pictory.ai is that it is an innovative tool that creates visual stories from text inputs. You can input your story or idea and pictory.ai will generate corresponding images to bring it to life. It is simple yet powerful enough to enhance storytelling and communication through visuals. If you want to redeem it directly in your pictory.ai, just tap on Redeem. You will be redirected to pictory.ai website after a verification. Once you are in your pictory.ai, make sure that you are logged in. If you are new to it, go ahead and sign up to your pictory.ai. Tap on the hamburger icon and head to Pricing, where you will find different kind of plans you can select from. Select any. Now to check out, go ahead and log in, then enter your payment method. While adding your payment method, don't forget to use the promo code. If it is not already pasted, go ahead and paste the copied code. And that wraps up this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.